Life was dark and gray on the inside, despite putting on my lipstick and showing up. It always felt like one step forward, then two steps back. I wouldn't have believed it was possible to change and transform in just one day with the incredible breakthrough session with Marilyn Devonish. It is possible, wow, and now, you can experience the Transformation Trio. Marilyn is offering, for the first time ever, the one-day breakthrough session, the 3-day online on-demand photo reading class, and the powerful one-day online fearless public speaking workshop. At the moment during the pre-launch it is 50% off, plus an additional 25% saving for lifetime members, a £250 saving for all access pass holders, and 10% off the pre-launch price for my email newsletter subscribers. Grab one of the remaining places while you can. Go to transformationstm.com and click the red What's New button.
Breaking news for the first time ever. We've got the Transformation Trio coming up. That is combining the Powerhouse one-day breakthrough session, the 3-day online on-demand photo reading class. It's a video webinar workshop, plus the one-day fearless public speaking workshop. Again, online on demand. The one-to-one breakthrough session is one-to-one. We do that one-to-one online. I've been a coach and therapist now for the past 25 years, and these are 3 modalities that absolutely changed everything for me in summer 2000. So I am offering a unique combo, the Transformation Trio, the Power of 3 trifecta, for this summer only. So grab your place while you can, and I'll explain the discounts next in this video. And I'll tell you also where you can get the links. I really look forward to working with you if you are in the place and the space where you could do with a boost, some further transformation. Maybe it's breaking through for the next level. Perhaps it's removing some emotional baggage or something in between. But whatever it is, I absolutely know these 3 powerful modalities can help you. And it's Marilyn Devonish here, the NeuroSuccess coach, rapid transformation specialist, and futurist. Of course, it's not me in the image, that's AI, but this is my voice. Yes, you heard that correctly. I am combining the one-day breakthrough session, which is a powerhouse in its own right, plus the 3-day on-demand photo reading class, plus the one-day online on-demand fearless public speaking workshop. Now, both the workshops are video webinar workshops. It means you can take them at your own pace from the comfort of your own home or office. And the reason I've combined those is because at this point, 25 years ago, so summer 2000, I was just leading up to one of the darkest points in my life, and I contemplated suicide in September 2000. Little did I know that the personal development course I was about to embark on, I did the home study first in the summer, plus the photo reading and learning the skills of public speaking. I had no idea at this point, 25 years ago, how much they would change my life. So as I celebrate my 25-year anniversary, I'm doing a range of things this year to celebrate that. And I thought for the summer, I will offer the Transformation Trio, the Power of 3 trifecta. So grab it while you can. There are a limited number of places available because the breakthrough session is a one-to-one session. So I have to make sure I've allowed time for those. So yeah, the link, you can go to my main website, transformationstm.com, click the red Watch New button, a panel will slide out and you'll see the information there. And of course, if you're on my e-newsletter list, you've already had the direct link plus your special 10% saving for being an e-newsletter subscriber. And also if you are a lifetime member, it's 25% off the pre-launch price. And if you are an all access pass holder, it's £250 off the pre-launch price. And the pre-launch price, it's a 50% saving compared to doing all of these modalities together. So I look forward to working with you both.